What if I told you karate could make you faster, stronger, and mentally tougher in just minutes a day? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stick around, because today we're diving deep into the core techniques that can transform your fighting game forever. Karate is more than just a martial art. It's a discipline, a way of life, and an ultimate test of body and mind. Originating in Okinawa, Japan, this ancient fighting style is known for its explosive strikes, sharp kicks, and rock-solid defense. But why should you learn karate? Because it's not just about fighting. It builds character, mental toughness, and total body conditioning. You'll be tougher inside and out, ready for anything. Let's jump into the moves that make it so awesome. First up is the Chudanzuki, the straight punch that's a big deal in karate. This isn't just about your arm swinging out, it's your hips that make it super strong. Twist your body like you're turning a knob, aim for the chest or jaw, and hit hard. It's like pushing all your power forward in one go. One good punch can stop someone fast, whether you're practicing with a friend or keeping yourself safe. You've got to keep your fist tight and your arm straight too. Try it in front of a mirror. It looks cool and feels even better. Get this move down and you'll feel like a karate star. Start slow to get the twist right, then speed it up. Soon, you'll be punching like a pro in no time. Next is the Uriken, the back fist, which is all about being super quick. It's not about hitting with tons of power. It's about speed that surprises people. Flick your wrist fast, like you're snapping your fingers, and it can shock your opponent right away. It's perfect when you need to fight back in a flash. Imagine someone coming at you. Bam! You snap that back fist out, and they're stunned before they know it. You don't need a big wind-up, just a fast flick. Practice it a few times, and it's so easy to do. It's a sneaky move that makes you look slick and in charge. Try it on a soft target first to feel the snap. You'll love how fast you can move with this one. Then there's elbow strikes, perfect when someone's really close to you. These are strong and awesome for tight spots where you can't step back. You turn your body a little, swing your elbow, and boom. You've got big power even from a tiny space. It's like turning your arm into a hammer that smashes hard. Use it when someone's right in your face, and they'll back off fast. Keep your elbow sharp and your feet steady so you don't wobble. It's great for close fights and feels so tough to do. Elbow strikes are simple, quick, and make you feel like a boss. Bend your knees a bit for extra balance. Hit with the pointy part for the best bang. Let's kick things off with the Mai-Geri, the front kick that's super easy and so useful. This one targets the stomach or chin, pushing your foot straight out like a rocket. It's perfect for keeping an attacker far away from you. Just lift your knee, snap your leg out, and pull it back fast. A good front kick can stop someone before they get too close, giving you space to breathe. Practice keeping your balance so you don't tip over. Try it slow at first. It feels awesome when you get it right. This kick is all about staying in control and saying, "Not today." You can even do it in small spaces. Soon you'll kick like it's second nature. Next up is the Mawashi-Geri, the roundhouse kick, the ultimate knockout weapon. This one's all about power, and it comes from spinning your hips all the way around. Swing your leg like a whip, hit with the top of your foot, and boom, it's a game ender. Imagine knocking someone out with one smooth move. That's this kick. You've got to turn your body fast and keep your eyes on the target. It takes practice, but it's worth it when you feel that strength. Start low to get the spin down, then aim higher as you go. It's loud, it's strong, and it looks so cool. Your legs will feel unstoppable with this one. Try it out and watch your power grow. Then we've got the Yoko-Geri, the side kick with incredible stopping power. This kick is like a wall that pushes back anything coming at you. Lift your leg, turn sideways, and shoot it out straight. It's best for counter strikes when someone's rushing in. You push off your back leg to make it super strong, like slamming a door shut. It's perfect to stop an attack dead in its tracks and take charge. Keep your body steady so you don't fall, and aim with your heel for extra punch. Practice it a little every day. It's tough, but so fun. This kick makes you feel like a superhero. Point your toes down for better form. You'll love how solid it feels. Now let's talk about blocks. First up is the Joden Uke, the high block that keeps your head safe. This move shields you from punches or anything swinging at your face. It's quick and super effective. Just lift your arm up fast, like putting up a wall. Your hand stays strong to push the hit away, keeping you in the game. Imagine someone throwing a punch. Bam! You block it, and they're stopped cold. Practice raising your arm high and keeping it steady so it works every time. It's simple, but feels so powerful when you get it right. This block is like your head's best friend. Try it with a buddy to feel the timing. You'll be dodging trouble like a pro. Next is the Gedan Barai, the low block that saves your legs and body. This one deflects low kicks or shots aiming below your waist, and it's crucial for full body defense. Swing your arm down like you're brushing something away and keep your feet planted strong. It's like sweeping trouble right out of your way. A good low block stops an attack and keeps you standing tall. Make sure your arm moves fast and stays firm to push the hit aside. Practice it low and slow at first. It's awesome when it clicks. You're protecting everything with this move. Try bending your knees a bit for extra balance. It's a must-have for any fight. Then there's the uchi uke, the inward block, perfect for close combat. This move redirects punches coming your way and sets you up to hit back fast. Pull your arm across your body, like you're guiding the punch off track. It's so smooth. It's essential when someone's right up in your space, giving you control. Imagine blocking a hit, and then bam, you're ready to strike back. Keep your elbow bent and your hand sharp to make it work every time. Practice it close up to feel the power. It's quick and tough. This block turns defense into attack. Move your feet a little to stay steady. You'll feel like a ninja with this one. Now let's talk kata. This is where karate turns into art, and it's the heart of everything. It's a bunch of moves put together, like a dance, that teach you rhythm, flow, and how to use your skills. Practicing kata makes your punches, kicks, and blocks way stronger. It's like a workout for your brain and body. It helps you build muscle memory, so your moves happen without even thinking. Picture this. You're flowing through steps, looking sharp, and feeling every move click into place. Start slow to learn the pattern, and soon it feels so natural. It's not just pretty, it makes you better at everything in karate. Try following along at home. It's fun. You'll feel tougher and smarter every time you do it. Kata is the secret to leveling up your whole game. Now it's your turn to get in on the action. Try these strikes at home. Feel the power in your hands and feet, and see how strong you can be. Grab a pillow or just punch the air and give it a go. I want to hear from you. Which karate move do you want to master next? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. It's so fun to practice, and you'll surprise yourself with what you can do. Start with something easy like the straight punch and build up from there. Tell your friends to try it too. Make it a challenge. You're part of this karate crew now. Let's get moving together. Karate is more than just a martial art. It's a way to build confidence, discipline, and power that sticks with you. You've seen the moves, the blocks, and how it all comes together. Pretty awesome, right? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It helps a ton. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more karate goodness. Next time, I'll break down the deadliest karate moves you need to know. Trust me, you won't want to skip it. Stick with me, and we'll keep getting better together. Share this with someone who'd love it too. Let's finish strong. Give me a big hiya in the comments. See you in the next one.